This video shows how to buy shares of Knights Group Holdings Plc in a step-by-step format. Knights Group Holdings Plc operates in property services and is listed on LSE PLC under the ticker KGH.L. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KGH.L to locate Knights Group Holdings Plc. Then select the listing that matches the company name and market. Make sure the market shown is LSE PLC. Open the stock page to review the company summary and view the price chart, confirming the name and ticker are correct. Take a moment to check basic company details and recent price movement before continuing. Tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed according to the order type when trading resumes. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade is placed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and a link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.